And now a very aromatic pesto with fennel. Normally, pesto is with basil, but fennel and pork are best friends and a perfect match. So, I have here pork chops, fennel, Graviera cheese, cashews, a clove of garlic, salt, pepper, and a little bit of balsamic cream with fig. First thing first, I'm gonna score my pork. I'm gonna rub it with some sea salt and some pepper. A little bit of olive oil in the pan and pork in, skin side down. Lower the heat, a little bit more salt, some pepper. And now it's time for my pesto. All the ingredients into my blender. Fennel, Graviera cheese, a clove of garlic, some cashews, check my pork, a little more, a tablespoon balsamic cream with fig, a touch of salt, and pepper. Nice. This side now. Now, I'm ready to gradually add my olive oil. My pesto is ready. I spread the pesto on top. And this goes into the oven, 350 degrees for half an hour. This is perfect. You should try it.